Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the most adorable boho storage baskets.
I am always looking for the cutest things to organize with, and these hand woven macrame storage baskets are just so beautiful. I have mine in the white color, and I love that they are lined so you can put things in them and not see through the baskets from far away. And these were the perfect thing for organizing in my main bathroom. I love how much these hold. There are two sizes. The larger size is about 13 by 6 inches, and the smaller size is about 11 by 5. And they are perfect for bathroom storage. I was able to put my toilet paper on the top of the tank, and I can hold extra towels and bathroom sprays and all kinds of things in the other one. They really have just given this room an upgrade, and it looks so beautiful, and they are made with super high quality materials. I am such a fan.
If you love a boho aesthetic like me and love to organize and have beautiful storage for everything you need, then you are going to love these storage baskets. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.